Welcome back, guys. Have you ever bought a product from Amazon and it stopped working suddenly? So, in today's video, I will clearly explain to you how to claim your warranty on Amazon. To begin, open your Amazon on your browser first. Here, you need to sign in your account and go to your returns and order section. Okay, so when you read in your order section, you can select your order here, which product you want to claim warranties, and you need to also have a valid reason that your product is working or damaged or charging issues or technical issue that they offer for warranty. So you need to give your exact reason why you want to claim. Okay, so and then beside the product, you're gonna see views all the details and click it. So you can also see get your product approved. So click get product approved here, and in this tab you can choose your issues and you can describe why you want to claim what your problem is. You can also put evidence, your photos or video, whatever you want to put. If you bought a electronic related product, be sure to get a warranty card before you bought from every store. So in there, you can choose what help do you need. So you can choose if your product is not working as you expected or not, technical problem of uh, problem in charging, whatever you want to put the reason here. And then you also need to tell them about the problem of your product. So your headphone charging problems or not if your headphone not working steadily without having any troubles or something. So you need to put your exact reason why you want to claim your warranty. And then to be more belief, you can also use your evidence photos and video here. Okay. After that, if you're sure to claim your warranty, click continues and your request already submitted to Amazon. So Amazon will contact back to you within 1 or 2 days. You just need to wait their confirmation email, and if your problem is follow their instructions and follow their rules, they will try to contact back to you as on a service, and they will give you a different solution like repair service. If you want a replacement, they're gonna give you replacement service or not. They're gonna offer to you contacting the manufacturers or refund option, whatever you want. They will give you different solution. What you need to do is just follow the instruction that Amazon made to you, and you also need to keep your package invoice and the accessory include in your package. And also you need to claim your warranty for sure. You need to keep your warranty card when you bought this product, right? Okay, so make sure to prepare all the things that they need. So that's all. Amazon will offer different option and you can choose among the option that you want. So that's for now. Thank you so much. Hopefully this tutorial helps you. See you